Welcome everyone. Today what we are going to discuss is about reaction and degree of freedom for different support conditions. So in that one what we are going to discuss is, first we are going to discuss about reaction for supports. First we have to know what is meant by support reaction. The definition for support reaction is nothing but if a support prevents translation of a body in a given direction, a force is developed on the body in that direction. It's nothing but, if you see here, if I am having any body which is allowed to move in any direction, for example in this one roller support we can able to see here, the roller support can able to move in horizontal direction, it can able to oppose in vertical direction. So what this definition is telling that in which direction the support is having resistance, in that direction only there will be reaction. So we can able to see here in horizontal it can able to move freely, so there won't be any horizontal reaction. It is only restricting the translation in only vertical direction, so we will have only one reactions here. So that is what the definition is telling. Next what we are going to see it is, if we take any structure there will be maximum 3 number of reactions. If it is 2D frames, if it is a 2-dimensional structure, we will be having how many number of reactions? 3 number of reaction. One it is moment, another one it is horizontal, another one it is vertical. So where moment will come, where horizontal reaction will come, where vertical reaction will come, it is if a support is able to prevent rotation, and where it can able to prevent the rotation, there moment will come. Horizontal will come if it can able to prevent the translation in horizontal direction, and the vertical reaction will come where it can able to prevent the translation in vertical direction. So let us take the type of support. First what support we are going to take, it is we are going to take free end support. If we see free end support, it is allowed to rotate, it is allowed to move in horizontal direction, it is allowed to move in vertical direction. So it does not have any prevention for transition and does not have any prevention for rotation. Therefore the number of reaction for free end is equal to 0. Next what we are going to see it is, we are going to see about roller support. Already I told about the roller support. The roller support can able to move freely in horizontal direction and it is allowed to rotate. So there is no possibility of horizontal reaction and there is no possibility of movement. The only possible reaction is nothing but your vertical reaction. Therefore the number of reaction for roller support is equal to 1. Next we will be seeing about last 2 supports. Next one it is pinned support. Next one it is pinned support. Pinned support will allow rotation, so there is no possibility of bending moment reaction. The left is only 2 number of reaction. It is able to resist the translation in vertical, so we will have vertical reaction. It can able to resist the translation in horizontal direction, so we will have horizontal forces. Therefore the number of reaction in pinned support is equal to 2. Last support what we are going to see it is fixed support. Last support what we are going to see it is fixed support. If we take fixed support, the fixed support can able to resist rotation, therefore bending moment will come. The fixed support won't allow any translation in both horizontal direction as well as in vertical direction, so it will have vertical reaction as well as horizontal reaction. Therefore the number of reaction for fixed support is nothing but is equal to 3. So okay, today in this video we have completed the reaction for different support. In the next video we will be discussing about degree of freedom for types of support in the next video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.